I used no camera, and I had no Chrome. One single tool renders that entire cinematic video. Video Studio in CapCut Web, powered by the new Seedance 2.5 model. As someone who builds agent systems for a living, seeing AI render a full story shot for shot in a single workflow is insane. Let me show you how I did it. Now I will show you the exact steps. You can make one like this yourself. You need no render farm. You need no code. You need Seedance 2.5 in CapCut on the web, all in the same place. Alright, step 1 is the prompt. In CapCut, I open Video Studio on the web and select Seedance 2.5. I write a prompt for the opening shot. The high-tech control room, the 4 agents, the calm before the bug hits. Then I generate. Seedance 2.5 makes native 30-second clips right here in Video Studio. So the whole opening lands in a single pass, not stitched fragments. Now I face the hard part. I have 4 agents. Each one must match across every shot. This is where our video falls apart. Faces drifts and outfit change by shot 3. In Video Studio, I solve it in 2 ways. First, I create a custom skill that remembers each agent, the face, the suit, the role, so it carries across every render. Second, Seedance 2.5 takes up to 50 reference assets, so I feed in images for each agent and look their look in. Same faces, same 4 characters, start to finish. Now, how do you direct 4 agents in a single scene without the timing going wild? You use timestamp-based storyline control directly inside your prompt before hitting generate. Instead of writing a vague prompt and hoping the AI guesses the timing, I script the exact timeline. 0 to 4 seconds for the control room setup, 4 to 8 seconds for the agents to track the bug, and 8 to 30 seconds for the resolution. Seedance 2.5 executes your exact story arc, camera moves, and character actions in a single pass, giving you director-level control over your visual pacing without any guesswork. Now I reach the final cut. I generate, I refine, and I export. All of it sits in one place. No round trips across 4 different tools. I generated the shots, fixed what needed a fix, and now I export the finished cold open. All inside Video Studio, on CapCut on the web. One workflow, start to finish. That cold open at the top, no camera made it. I made it with CapCut. I built the agent systems for real. Now the AI can render them too. I build it, I test it, now you can render it.